Hey, my name's Brent, I'm from Systematic Design and I'm here to tell you why you might consider using 3D in your work. So you might be asking, what even is 3D used for? 3D allows you to create anything you can think of in a variety of formats that let you manipulate it on a computer. The process is very straightforward. You normally model out your object or product. Then, once you have your model, you can add textures and lighting. From there, using a virtual camera, you can create any kind of animation or still just as you would with the traditional camera. Creating content in 3D has a few advantages that you wouldn't get with the traditional workflow. We briefly touched on modeling. Modeling is a fantastic feature of 3D. It allows you to create and see what your product might look like before ever building anything in the real world. Another great advantage are the virtual cameras that come with 3D software. These cameras function very similar to traditional cameras. With these you can create fantastic still shots or beautiful cinematography just as you would if you were shooting with a traditional camera. However, because these cameras are virtual, you can achieve cinematography that you wouldn't be able to do in real life or would be rather difficult to achieve. The most useful benefit of 3D is the flexibility that comes with a virtual workflow. A great example would be creating a product commercial. Shooting a product commercial traditionally has several requirements. The most important of which being the final product must be designed and at the very least a prototype ready for filming. From there you would require a crew and equipment. Some equipment may require extensive setup. Another factor may be actual daylight. If you are filming a shot outside, you may heavily require the lighting from natural sun. On top of everything mentioned, once the shot is complete, you are basically locked into what you have filmed. And whilst you can definitely achieve some amazing things in post, a lot of options are no longer on the table at this point. Here's a common scenario. Say you have completed your entire shooting of your animation commercial. Then, the customer has come to you and said they would like to see it in a different colour, or the animation moves a little too slow, or it just looks slightly off from what they were expecting to see, or even worse still, the design of the product has actually changed. Say, the manufacturing can't quite build it the way it was intended, so the look has to be changed. If you were filming traditionally, that would be an issue. However, with 3D, all you need to do is open up your model file, update the look, and then from there, it updates all the way down the line and you simply need to re-render the video and everyone's happy. 3D can often be quicker, cheaper, and more flexible for your workflow. If you think you have a project that could use 3D, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch on any of my social media platforms.